Hello guys, this is Galaxy M13s and this is how it's record when you connect external mic. It is very simple fix and I will show you how. Before you going to do this, make sure you check with another earphone. If you have two earphone, then check with another earphone, or if you have two device, then check the earphone with both the device. And if it is issue with this device, then you have to check the pins. Okay guys, as you can see here a pin. Actually this pin is mic pin, and in this phone it actually bent it down. Maybe someone tried to plug it like this in this direction and it bent down. So that is the issue with this device, because this mic pin is not touching this earphone mic tip and it making that noise. It is actually a problem with the device, not an earphone or headphone. To fix it, take a pin or something like this, turn your device off and pull that pin gently up. If you apply too much pressure, it will bend and broke the tip. So you have to gently push it like this and let test. And if it same like that, again push it slowly and test again and push it slowly. Don't push too much, and you don't want to bend and damage this tip. It will cost you a lot. If you do it carefully, then you can fix it. It is very simple. Now I will show you the result. Hello guys, can you hear me? Hello guys, can you hear me? Now the external mic is working without any noise. Thank you for watching.